Vidi Radoslav kako kuja.
Ja obožavam ovu salatu.
Hey guys!
Hello everybody!
Welcome back to another mukbang, you guys. We are on the farm and
With my father behind the camera and he's like
Yeah.
there. Yeah? But
the fire is going on still
anyway,
with the barbecue.
oh
and nothing is growing at the back.
yeah.
The sun is just right on my face and yeah.
It's very bright.
So this is mine. Since my husband don't eat bones, this is mine.
I will eat this one.
I deboned this one for my husband, so he's having that. If you find any bones, honey, you know what to do. So yeah.
Cool guys. So it's a
Ciao.
čale. Malo je onako
Ne vidi se na ovom vidu.
pa znam, ali nas maltretira.
My father-in-law is like making his own video.
Yeah, he's gonna have his own channel.
He's very much into photography.
Ne znam čale. A snimamo sada. Snimamo sada.
Snimaj.
Da, da.
A i onako ide na engleskom posto.
Awesome.
He's always funny.
Yeah. Wow. I told him we are recording and he's like, that's okay, you can translate it to English later.
Maybe you guys are wondering why my mother-in-law is not here. No, but this is not a vlog, honey. This is a mukbang.
Yeah, so we don't have
Anyway, yeah. She just finished her operation. She got hernia in her stomach.
to. Yeah.
Hernia, that. So she just finished the operation and she cannot move. So she's not here with us. But she made this. Sour cabbage with bacon and potato. And they just had that for lunch. Anyway, look at our salad.
Yeah. That's a lot of salad, by the way. It's the first wonderful day after a while.
Yeah.
So guys, I hope you're sitting down somewhere outside like us. And that will be actually awesome. We can have a picnic.
I really like this grilling meat stuff.
Yeah?
Yeah, because in our place we don't do that much, right?
I don't know.
No, I'm talking to them. Sorry.
No, in our place they grill meat mostly.
We should do this more often. I love this arugula, baby.
Yeah?
Don't you?
I love everything on this plate, baby. It's like... It's so warm on the sun. It's like 18, 19 degrees, 20 degrees. Oh. I'm still laughing how my father was like, translate it to English later, who cares? They live in their own world, baby. They don't care. Hvala, da. Definitely old school is in their own movie.
I just put my chicken for grilling because I want it more crisp. Crispy.
Right? I'm not gonna eat it all.
Yeah. I will eat the skin and bone stuff, honey. So.
No.
Unbelievably warm today, baby.
Oh, sorry.
I wish I remember that day that I hardly started going out. But I don't. But it was like a long time ago. Other side.
This sun is really bright.
And hot. On my fias. Like this salad or not?
Bite my tongue.
Again? Are you okay?
How's your chicken, baby?
Excellent.
I'm gonna give this to the doggy. Oh, but I cannot eat all of this.
But put it in your plate.
Where is it?
How's it in Pujulakia?
This salad is mouthful, baby.
The skin.
Huh? Unfortunately, I like the skin,
So spicy.
but with my medical condition, I cannot eat.
Really?
They say with a high blood pressure, you shouldn't eat skin, high cholesterol and stuff like that.
Give me.
Oh yeah.
I'm here for you, baby.
I can imagine, baby.
I hope you can see us, you guys.
No, yeah, I can.
For us, we can see. We can't see ourselves close, can we?
Yeah. They can see us. Wow.
Getting cold.
The sun is going down. So, this garden behind us soon is gonna get cultivated again. and prepared for spring.
I just planted.
Did you tell them where?
Some mustard seeds. No.
Good luck.
Let's just say in my face.
Let's just say, let's hope they don't kill it. And so you hear them all the time. However they communicate, they're yelling. How are the people in your place? Also all the time same?
No, I don't think so.
Nećeš više ništa ovdje.
Hvala.
Hvala.
Trebalo si da kažeš da skulam još kontinuirati.
Ma jok, sve dobro. They don't really care that we're recording.
No.
Cool.
No matter we told them or we don't tell them, when we're recording, they don't care.
I'm telling you guys, old school.
They just do their things. Oh my gosh.
That's a lot.
I had one whole bujologi, honey.
How is your crispy thingy?
I don't know. There's a bread if you want. The pizza made without the yeast.
I tried this already. For breakfast, yeah?
Da. That's the same bread.
Alright. Oh, good. This is what I have to do to see the screen of the camera. That's the perks of eating outside. You cannot see anything clearly. Because we have a best spotlight in the world.
Yeah.
The sun.
I'm so full, baby.
Me too.
I'm feeling cold now.
I'll put this on this plate. Eat it later.
She farm shit. Okay. Mama, babagine. So spicy, I can't even talk.
No?
I ate one whole bujologia, baby. Just said, Manipuri, this is your parents' farm. Ay, kita mak moy na Hawaii movie yam tare. For remember. I asked her why she grow them, and she said like she don't want it. And I said, why do you plant it? And she said, I didn't like coriander, but I planted, so you know why I planted.
For you.
Yeah.
Good. Nice.
I'm like, oh, thank you. Since I came into this farm, they will plant everything that I said. They didn't plant coriander before also.
Yeah, but they will plant it in their own planning. They will not plant it how she wants it. They
No.
will do it like, no, not like that, and then they will plant it differently, but
They will do it for me, but they will not do it the way I want it.
It's just frustrating
Because
sometimes.
it's still their space, so they're like our space.
No,
yeah.
it's pretty much like we know better how to plant stuff.
Yeah.
Anyway, shall we close the shop, baby?
Go ahead.
So, guys, thank you for joining us on this first spring day in the middle of the winter. It's very warm outside. It's
Oh,
really
it's not middle of winter.
well, it is the middle of winter.
It's February, yeah?
Well, it should be. For us, it's the middle of winter.
Supposed to be, yeah? Indeed.
So, thank you for joining us. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe, thumbs up and stuff, you know. And comment down below what you don't like, what you like. We didn't have any shout outs because this is one after another. We just catched a pretty day and left. And check out our Facebook, our Instagram, check out our store. And that should be it, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bella is around, but
See you
just
later.
doesn't care for us at all. Oh, there you are. Bye.
So spicy, baby.